Let's see the question number 46. Which of the following oxides is most acidic in nature? MgO, BaO, BeO or CaO? Okay. In metals, moving down the group metallic character increases. In moving down, the metallic character increases. So basic nature increases. Hence, most acidic will be BeO. Understanding? That is, in metals, if we are going down, the metallic character will increase. So the basic nature will also increase. Hence, the most acidic will be BeO. According to us, the answer should be third, that is BeO. Let's see in the next slide what is the correct answer. Yes, it is the option number 3 and we are absolutely correct, that is BeO.